Hey guys, I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com. Welcome. I have something new for you today. You may have seen this around on the internet. I've seen it myself and I've been very intrigued. This is Quilty. They reached out to me, offered to send me a box so that I could actually review their product and see what the quality of their box is. Let's be honest, we all love all the quilty things, but we can't buy them all. This company has been around for a while, but they are making waves on YouTube, Instagram, all the socials. You know why? Because they're fun, right? So I'm gonna go through this box. I'm gonna give you my review on the Mrs. Quilty boxes and let you know whether or not I think it is worth it for the money. Just so you know, this price right here is what you pay for each box. Okay, it is a monthly subscription. They have all the information on their website. You're gonna be really excited about this next part. Mrs. Quilty actually gave me a coupon code that I can pass on to you so that you get a little bit more savings in your pocket. I want you to see this gorgeous box as I am opening everything. It says tell a story stitch by stitch, which is super cute, and I love this little thing. This box is adorable, by the way. Like, I would keep this box and do it as a gift box. So here is the magazine that they have with it. I'm seeing everything at the exact same time as you. There we go. That's a little bit better so you can see what is inside. I'm trying really hard not to peek at the other items around here, but it's so hard. It's like a present every single month when I get subscription boxes. I love subscription boxes because not only does it give you access to things that you might not normally pick out for yourself, but it gives you an idea of other tools that you may not have known about before, okay? So this is a very nice colorful magazine that you get with your box, and it tells you everything that's included right here, as well as the total value. So remember that number that I showed you earlier, what you pay for it every single month? This is the total value that you are getting, okay? So you've got patterns. I'm sure there is fabric in here. I'm just going to take a picture of this and show you exactly what is included in there. And then we are going to move on to the fun stuff. Okay. So this is a really educational magazine here that shows directions. It shows fabric. It shows information. There is all kinds of stuff in here. And, oh, there is even a cookie recipe in the back. And the reason that I'm kind of being careful here is I don't want to give away absolutely everything in this, but this right here looks like what it is that we were going to be making, which is what the pattern is for. We have a piece of elastic. We'll find out what that's for later on. Okay, we have, ooh, this is what was smelling so good when this came out of my, like, off my porch the other day when it got here in the mail. So we have fresh lavender. Like, I wish my hardest that you could smell this and know how amazing it is, because it's so nice and fresh. We have a zipper here that is a really cute minty color. We have two different packs of the same fabric here. Okay, so we have 8 pieces, 8 fat quarters basically, of premium fabric for quilting. So I'm gonna open one of these because I want to show you all of the fabrics that are in here. We have this lovely minty one. Cute lemons and yellow flowers. Oh, this feels so summery. So citrusy colors and like picnicky. Like, I want, these are amazing. So there is all of the fabrics laid out. This is going to be such cute projects. And really the fabrics themselves, they do feel really nice. Okay, they're not like your cheap fabrics that you would get from, you know what? No, I'm not going to name names here. I don't want to do that. I will always give you my true opinions on this channel because I don't want you wasting your hard-earned money, just like I don't want to waste my hard-earned money. Okay, so we got a cute little pin cushion, wrist pin cushion. So I think it's probably okay if I show you this page right here, and if you want, you can totally pause the video and take a screenshot because everybody needs a good oatmeal cookie recipe. And one thing that I noticed on this page that is really nice is right here they have a quilt glossary. So if you're really new to quilting, this seems like it would be a great box because they've kind of gone more so in depth instead of assuming that you know everything. And they've created this book that has detailed instructions. It has, the patterns are in this book. They're not separate, okay? So it shows you a table of contents here of everything that they include, the month's projects, everything on here about what is included, the different little notions that are included in here. There's pages about each one of them. I think it's a really good box if you are not 100% comfortable with your quilting, okay? So if you're not really knowing what it is you're getting into, you don't feel confident when you're quilting, and that is something that does come with time. So I want to go ahead and point that out, that like not everybody feels confident with what they're doing. Most of the time I'm just still kind of figuring things out as I go as well. I really like the little things that they included. This one is a really good one for me. What I think I like the most in that box is obviously the fabrics are gorgeous. Okay, I like the fabrics and I like the little trinkets that you get and stuff, but that magazine to me was full of amazing value. Okay, it was a really, really good magazine that came with it. And that's what makes it really good for quilters who are just starting out, quilters who are advanced and just want an easy, like, for heaven's sakes, tell me what to do project, right? Just, they want like, just tell me what to do. I don't want to think, I just want to sew, I just want to create. That's perfect for that. To the beginner who is working on their skills, who is learning as they go, that magazine is a really, really good resource, okay? And, you know, coming from somebody who teaches quilting, I think that like, it had everything that you needed to know. So it's a really, really good beginner one. And obviously the value is there because remember, this is what you paid for the box. This is the value of the actual box. And this is the difference in the savings that you get. So it's a pretty good value, one that I would definitely consider, you know, gifting to a friend who is wanting to start quilting, who, you know, you could do 2 of these boxes and do one for you and one for a friend and then work on the projects together. I think that that would be an amazing experience gift too. So the Mrs. Quilty boxes definitely get a thumbs up from me. I appreciate them sending me out that box to show to you. I'm looking forward to hearing in the comment section what you think about this box. So if you have any questions about this box or about the company, I'm happy to answer them. If you are interested in subscribing to this box or ordering one for yourself, please remember they gave me a coupon code for you to use so you can save a few dollars when you order your first box. It is full of good quality sewing items and I am looking forward to putting them in my stash for those days when I just need something quick, easy, and fun to work on that I don't have to fuss with. So I hope that you have a wonderful afternoon. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I love to answer those. I will talk to you next week. I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com. Enjoy the rest of your week. Have fun sewing. Sew something beautiful. Bye. This lavender, this is such a nice touch. Like, if I could just like tie this to my glasses, I probably would. Okay, that's not gonna make the video.